Introducing Arius, the new world's smallest quadcopter. Measuring in at just 3 centimeters long by 3 centimeters wide and a mere 2 centimeters tall, Arius is 25% smaller than our previous record-holding models, the Turbo X and Wallet drone. Each Arius drone comes with an ultra-compact 2.4 GHz controller that also stores the tiny quadcopter. The Arius is available in 4 color choices and color accents to fit your style. Flight time for the Arius is approximately 5 to 7 minutes per 15 to 20 minute charge via the supplied USB cable. The Arius has 2 speeds, high and low, as well as a headless mode, which allows pilots to lock the orientation of the drone regardless of which way the nose is pointing. This is very helpful with such a tiny quadcopter. The Arius's 6-axis stabilization and 360-degree rotational capabilities make flying simple and fun. The pre-programmed trick mode allows pilots to perform mid-air flips and rolls with just a simple push of a button. We have brought you the smallest, most compact quadcopter and controller that will allow you to have.
The people who brought you the world's first CD slot mount have made an evolutionary leap forward to bring you a secure air vent mounting solution for your cell phone. Introducing the MountTech Air Snap. With 5 years of loyal customer feedback, MountTech has listened to what drivers want. You want to see and interact with your phone without taking your eyes off the road. You want to get in and out of your car without fussing with the mount. Most of all, you want your mount to stay put without shaking your phone. The MountTech Air Snap truly delivers what drivers want, all in one simple solution. How does it work? Simply place the open clamp of the MountTech Air Snap onto any vent blade and turn the locking wheel until it holds securely. The support arm attaches to a secondary vent blade to minimize movement and reduce road vibration. This patent-pending tail-lock design is what makes the MountTech Air Snap the best choice for mounting smartphones, phablets, and even mini tablets. It's a solid mount that will not cause your device to bounce while driving. The MountTech Air Snap uses powerful earth magnets to secure your device to its mounting pad, eliminating the need for bulky clips or cradles. Only a thin steel badge needs to be adhered to the back of your cell phone or case, and the magnetic pad snaps your phone in place. The MountTech Air Snap elevates your phone above the vent blades to permit airflow, and its magnetic pad connects to the vent clamp on a rotational ball hinge. This allows for fine angle adjustment and edge-to-edge interaction with your touchscreen to safely and naturally use your phone as if the mount isn't even there. The appearance is a beautiful, seamless, floating effect, making the mount seem invisible. MountTech has chosen Indiegogo as its launching platform because the Indiegogo community sees value in innovative products that improve people's lives. With the MountTech Air Snap, our company aims to enhance the driving experience and make our roads safer. We believe the Indiegogo community will not only help launch our latest invention, but also spread the word about safety and hands-free phone use to drivers around the world. We'd love your support to share this gift of safe driving. Our engineering team has spent an entire year perfecting this solution, and we're all so excited to deliver it to your door by Christmas. We're so confident that you absolutely love the MountTech Air Snap that we're backing it with a 1-year money-back guarantee, along with a lifetime warranty for all Indiegogo backers. Happy holidays from all of us at MountTech, California, USA.
Belkin Aircast Auto installs in seconds. All you need is your smartphone and your existing car stereo. Setup is easy. First, connect the audio cables. Then plug in the power adapter. Put the call play button on the dash. Perform the one-time Bluetooth pairing process. Next time, to reconnect, press the call play button and you're ready to go. Press the call play button to start your music. Full range sound will stream via Bluetooth directly through your car speakers. To pause, tap the button once. Tap twice to skip to the next track. When a call comes in, the music fades automatically. Press the button to answer the call.
Hello?
Hey, are you on your way?
When the call ends, your playlist starts up without missing a beat. You can also stream your favorite internet radio apps and charge while you drive with built-in USB. Music and hands-free calling have never been easier. Belkin Aircast Auto.